today's video is gonna be our Grand Palladium room tour. This is a double occupancy room. I don't know what we're gonna do that. Let's pretend like we didn't see that. No, Marina, try. All right, so starting off, the first thing when you step into the room is the door, obviously. Apart from this, it seems very secure because you know it have one wooden back galangin. You also have the light switch, and then when you enter into the room, first thing you have apart from the door, there's a mirror, and to the left we have the shower. So inside the shower, me's going in there. So there is, I don't know what to call it, it's a modern shower. You know, you can detach it and there's multiple parts. Which is very nice, very modern. And I love the fact that it's kind of enclosed and different from the toilet area. And then for the toilet area, if you need to know, you know, door number 2, the toilet area is also secluded. You have sanitary bags. I don't know what that's for. I guess it's for, you know, when you're on your menstrual. I guess this is to flush. Yeah. Fancy. I don't know what this is. It's not to flush. What is this for? You have your bin, and there is 2 different toilet papers included. Really nice. And then over here you have your regular hair dryer. There is a magnifying mirror. So for people like me who love the face and stuff, this is very, very good because it literally gets everything, like literally looking at my eyeball. And as I said, you have the blow dryer. There's a couple more switches for the room. There is this face basin area, so everything is secluded. The shower is over there, the toilet area is here, and the face basin. And of course you have this big mirror. You have great lighting, so again, great for your makeup. There is napkins. Of course, when you're brushing your teeth, you're gonna get water. That's what that is for. Of course, you have a little pipe, and of course, again, you're gonna have your soaps, your shampoo, your conditioner, your body wash, have your towels, and this little desk thingy. So if you're somebody that likes to sit and do your makeup, then you have that. Then we have our jacuzzi. You have a jacuzzi. Obviously, I'm not trying to get my outfit wet because I'm not take pictures yet. And these girls are going to turn on the pipe. But yeah, we have the jacuzzi, so definitely gonna chill in this later. I love the marble
decor.
I love the marble decor. I think it's very modern. And then right in front of the jacuzzi, so my battery died, so I'm gonna continue. So as I was saying, after the jacuzzi, directly in front of the jacuzzi is the closet. Of course, we got our clothes iron, we got our hangers, my suitcase and stuff is here. Also, I have an iron board. I think this is the first hotel that I've gone to that actually has an ironing board, so that's pretty cool. On the other side of the closet, we have slippers. As I said, it's a double occupancy room, so we got 2 pairs of slippers. I don't know where the other pair is. We have our standard safe. I mean, most hotels have a safe. I don't know what those are. Doesn't seem important. We also have, I'm just gonna call this storage. I don't know what this is, but we just all call it storage, which is very nice. That's empty. We have quite a bit of storage. Then over here we have our mini refrigerator. I just came back from the sports bar, so that's why that is there. We have a mini refrigerator which is fully stocked. I think they said they stock it once per day. So we have 4 bottles of water. We have our Coke, Red Stripe, bigger, you know, all different types of sodas, the works. So that's pretty cool. On this side we have our kettle. We also have 2 teacups. We have a bunch of teas, and we have coffee. I don't really drink coffee, but I mean, I'm taking those home. And all right, so this area, which is, you know, above the refrigerator, also has two glasses, and I'm guessing this is some kind of thingy for tea. This thing is empty, but this is really cute. And as I said, it's directly above the fridge, and I like this kind of storage because, you know, it's kind of hidden, it's kind of minimalistic, if that's the word that I'm looking for. So yeah, that's cute. After you come from the storage area, directly above that is the TV. And then, okay, let's come here. This is just kind of like a little workstation. I would say, like, you know, if you're coming and you're gonna work or you want to store stuff, that's also a good spot. And then if you turn, we have our bed. So I believe this is, it's a king size bed. This is not a queen. It's a king size bed. I'm gonna say it's a king size bed, which is directly beside the jacuzzi. You have little side table here with, you know, your charging port, nice lighting, really cute bed, really big, really soft, and another side table there. The light is on both sides of the bed. Of course, we have a look of fun up there. So, and there's a mirror directly above the bed. Lord, me tired. There's a mirror directly above the bed. We have our remote, and then there's a phone to call room service. There's also light switches there as well. There's other lights. Ooh, so there's other lights above the bed. Pretty cool. So one thing about this room, it's very well lit. There's a lot of lighting. You know, there's lighting at the mirror, there's lighting beside the bed, 2 extra lights above the bed. So there's a lot of lighting. And then after we leave the bed, directly beside the bed, we have this couch, some nice wall hangings, and again, more additional light. We'll soon get to the balcony. After you leave, you know, in front of the couch, there is this little table area. Also great if you want to work, and it's some more comfortable workstation. Then there's chairs so you can lounge. More lighting again, and some wall decorations, I'm gonna call those. And then let me step back so you guys can see. After the seating area is the balcony. So it's in the evening right now, so I'm gonna try to show you guys the view in the morning. But this is basically the balcony. We have, I think this is called a garden view, I'm not completely sure. So there's, you guys are gonna hear some music outside, so if there's any copyright music playing, I'm gonna have to mute it. So when I step back, this is what the balcony looks like, and it's quite a big balcony. There is a nice shelf when you step out. There is lighting. This is what the room looks like from outside, and there's 2 nice chairs out here on the balcony. And then this is the view. Our room is situated close to the seafood restaurant, so like we're pretty close to that, which I love. So yeah, this is what the room looks like from outside. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, like the room definitely is worth the price. Definitely, you know, exceeded my expectations. So far we haven't spent a lot of time in the room because, as I said, we came, we got food, and now we're back here, and we're gonna get dressed to go to dinner. But so far it's great. After you leave the closet area, there's also the AC vent. I forgot to add that. And I don't remember what these lights are called, if it's floodlights, but there are floodlights in the ceiling. And yeah, so far I've tested the shower and it's pretty much easy for us to get hot water. The water pressure is also perfect, like it's not dripping, it's not running like slowly, and it's not, you know, too hard. It's just like really good. So yeah, that's basically it for the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.